Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Java. Students find installing Java is difficult for the first time. It will be easy to set up Java environment in Windows 10 after following this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates. There are two variations of Java. First is JDK or Java SE, that is Java Standard Edition, and second is JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. Java Standard Edition installs both JDK and JRE. JDK is Java Development Kit. If you are developing Java applications, you need to compile the Java programs. Hence, JDK is the right option to install in this case. JRE is useful only to run Java applications, but not for development works. If you do not develop any Java programs or software, just install JRE on your machine. So let's start with the installation. You need to download Java from Oracle website and install it in the computer. Link is provided in description. This is Oracle website. Under Oracle JDK download option is present. When you click on download option, you will be redirected to this page. There are a lot of options available for different operating system. For Windows, two download options are available. Here we will be downloading exe file, that is executable file. Once you accept license agreement, download button will be available. Click on download button. After downloading, run this executable file. Here if you want, you can change installation path. Next steps button redirect to Oracle JDK 16 documentation. After installation, Java folder has been created under program files. Setting up Java environment in Windows is nothing but adding Java installation path to operating system variables. It is called setting up Java home. There are two path variables to be set up in Windows. Set up Java home directory to access JDK JRE tools, and second is set up class path to attach or add libraries and helper classes. There are 4 steps of setting up Java home path. First step is right click on my computer and go to properties. Here you can see computer hardware specifications like RAM and Windows activation status, etc. Go to advanced system settings on the right side. Third step is under system properties, go to advanced tab. On the bottom you can find a button with name environment variables. Just click there. Fourth step is under environment variables, you can see two sections. The top section shows user variables and the bottom section shows system variables. In either of them, find for variable name path. If it is not available, click new and add path as variable name and value as path of bin folder present in JDK folder. If the path variable is already existing in any section, simply click edit and add Java installation path. If the requirement is to set up Java home as required by any applications like Tomcat, add the variable name as Java home and the path requested by the application. Next is to set up class path. You need to set the class path if you need to load a class that is not present in the current directory or any subdirectories. You need to load a class that is not in location specified by the extensions mechanism. Class path refers to the path containing library jar files and zip files along the class files. These libraries are predefined or supplied by a third-party vendor to enhance the functionality of a Java application. You should copy the jar files in a particular location and mention the jar file path, a class path, while compiling and running Java programs. Class path refers to path containing library, jar and zip files along with class files. There are two ways of setting up Java class path in Windows. First is using command prompt to add class path dynamically. Second is using environment variables in Windows operating system. The advantage of adding class path in command prompt is that you can include or add different libraries for different projects. This can be achieved using CP or class path options as part of Java C and Java commands. Next, using environment variables in Windows operating system. This approach is not recommended as you cannot have different libraries for different projects. Libraries required for one Java project may not be required for another Java project. Including unnecessary libraries consume memory and affect performance. After Java installation, if you get this error, which is javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So for this error, there are few steps that you need to verify on your machine. Check whether you installed Java on the system or not by pinging javac in command prompt. You should install javac or JDK but not JRE. Set up Java home path as explained earlier. Bin directory path should be either added to user variables or system variables under environmental variables. Restart command prompt, restart Windows and ping javac again. How to check Java is installed or not? So we will see. Open command prompt. If you can get reply to Java command, it means JRE is successfully set up for running Java programs. If you can get reply to javac command, it means JDK or Java Standard Edition is successfully set up for compiling Java programs. This check ensures successful setting up of Java home path. You can also check the installed Java version using version command. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.